Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a kind of cloud pour with my pearl white mixture that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with some titanium white and my pouring medium. I use this mix for about 5 years already. I have a ton of videos with the pearl white mixture that creates kind of a cloudy look. It's different with satin enamel, but I like that look. And I didn't do that kind of pour for quite some while, so today I'm going to do that. And I have gold, permanent red violet, my pearl white permanent violet. This is greenish blue, yellowish green, and cyan blue. And I will start with a little bit of gold on the bottom. And when I will pour, I will just see how the pattern is going, so I will decide what I want to do while I will pour that. I like to pour slow and from up high and kind of spin a little bit. That's why I said that it's not a cloud pour, but it gives you some effects, hopefully. Okie doke. So I like what I see. So maybe I will give it one spin and then go from there. I want this white to go off because it's just too white. Yeah, I like that. Ah, really do. So as you saw, it's not a regular cloud effect, but some beautiful effects anyway. I will show you at the close-up. I just see some stuff in there that I have to take out. So here where the white is, you see how this looks kind of, you know, the color blending into the white and creates some beautiful lines in there, and this part is just gorgeous. And this part here, amazing. And I love how this looks like. Maybe I don't like this part and I see something in there that I will take out and just drag this line a little bit, but otherwise I'm really happy with the result. Love the colors, love the composition. I love everything about it. So yay, I'm happy. Let me fix that and stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry. I really love this piece. I don't know why, but I do. This part here, just so beautiful. I know it's not a cloud pour, but with all these lines in pearl white, I'm just loving it. And this blue here mixed with some pearl white just glows. And kind of, I don't know, a planet there or something. I just love it. I love everything about it. I love the colors. I love the composition. I love everything. I don't know, maybe some of you will think that this is just not something that belongs to this painting art, but I love it. I really do. Some cells there. Love it. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Thanks for being here and see you again on the next one. Bye.